Okay, I am going to demonstrate writing my HelloWorld program in Python and how I committed it to my GitHub, how I pushed it to my GitHub. So basically this program works. I'm running it and we're gonna see HelloWorld here. Done, and I created the README file along with it, and I already pushed those to my GitHub. The way I do that is, let's say, is Amin. First, let's check that it works. Hello world, my name is Amin. Good. And then I'm going to go to the source control here. I'm going to say name update. I'm going to stage the changes here and I'm going to commit. Once I've committed, I'm going to push it to GitHub. So I'm just going to click the three dots here and say push. And after a while, it should show up here. I'm going to refresh the page. Yeah, it's showing up here as name update. This was the recent update right there. So yeah, that's my program. And I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube, and then I'm gonna add it to my README file over here.